effective ba ang leadership development versus real life experiences? It's not an or, it's an and. Leadership development is about allowing the person to attend face-to-face or virtual or do self-learning. And then you've got to reinforce that via coaching and mentoring. So meron siyang nakakausap about the leadership journey. And then, reinforce pa natin yan. Merong leadership development na classroom type. Merong one-on-one coaching or mentoring. And then, meron siyang tinatawag na action learning. Whatever concepts were taught here, they bring it back to the workplace in the form of an action learning. The person trying to learn leadership development is not only dependent on pina-attend nga ako ng program na yun eh. And then, in addition to that, binibigyan pa siya after nung training, nung sinasabing job-based learning. So, kung makikita mo, holistic yung development niya. That's why I always say, it's an and, not an or.